Welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I'll be showing you a very potent organic medication that you should not avoid in poultry farming, especially broilers farming. And also we'll be looking at what we gain at week 3 of this experiment of 4.2 kg in 6 weeks. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel if you are yet to subscribe. Like this video, share this video to wider audience. If you have been following my videos, you must have watched a video that I posted called Newcastle Concussion. Newcastle Concussion video, you can check my channel. Just type Newcastle Concussion. You will see the video on how to prepare this medication. I have posted the video before. Newcastle Concussion is a very strong herbs, very strong organic medication that can help to prevent and curb the spread of viral infections in poultry. As the name implies, Newcastle Concussion, it does not just helps in preventing Newcastle disease alone, but it also helps to prevent other viral infection and even bacterial infection. As a way of farming, we do give Newcastle Concussion to our broilers birds twice a week just to prevent and be able to check any upcoming or any infections in them. Remember, to achieve a very good weight of broilers, you must prevent your birds from getting sick. So if you are a very serious poultry farmer, especially broilers farmer, you should have prepared a Newcastle Concussion and give to your birds to prevent this viral infection from attacking them. To prepare Newcastle Concussion, you need 1. Garlic, 2. Neem leaf, 3. Bitter leaf, 4. Cayenne pepper, and 5. You need your blackstrap molasses. You must use a good blackstrap molasses. Blackstrap molasses does not just serve as preservative, but it contains calcium, good amount of calcium. So if you get original blackstrap molasses, which you can get with our agent representative nationwide, use the number below to contact them. They have original blackstrap molasses. This blackstrap molasses contain a good amount of calcium, and you know calcium is good for strong bone. That is why you see when we are fortifying our feed, we do not bother to add calcium source, because our molasses that we are adding to our organic drugs contain calcium, and the calcium is enough for our birds. You can see our birds, even at 4.2 kg, their bones are still very strong. They are still very agile. So you should use a good molasses while preparing your organic drugs, so you can get it. They are fake molasses. There's sulfured molasses, there's unsulfured molasses. So our molasses is unsulfured blackstrap molasses, and you can get it close to you in Lagos, Port Harcourt. You can get it in Kwara, you can get it in Abuja, you can get it in Enugu, you can get it in Uyo, you can get it in Delta State. So you can get it in Ondo, you can get it in Kaduna, you can get it in Kano. So wherever you are, call any agent that is closer to you or call me. We will supply you and you will formulate your drug. As a serious farmer, Newcastle Concussion should not be absent in your farm, so that your birds will look very healthy and they will be able to be strong, and their immune system will be strong to resist against sicknesses and diseases. So they are 3 weeks old today, that is 21 days. We'll be checking their weight to see what we have. But as you can see, they are looking healthy. They have a good shape, they have a good structure, they look relaxed, they look yummy, they look ready to, So let's check their body weight to see what we got for week 3, that is day 21. Sorry, the screen of the weighing scale is not showing very well, but I'll try to write the summary of what we get on the screen, the average weight we got at week 3 on the screen, so for your consumption. Now, as a rule of poultry farming, especially broiler farming, to achieve the very maximum possible weight within a specific time interval. You must avoid sickness. The moment your birds fall sick, the feed conversion ratio becomes so poor and the rate at which they grow will drastically decline. So you will not meet up with a possible weight gain within a short period of time again. So in order to avoid sicknesses and diseases, you must follow a good preventive medication. Don't leave your birds for them to get sick before you attend to them. That is why it's good to use organic medication most times. Another point you have to note is that, medication aside, for you to succeed in broilers farming, you have to buy your birds, source for your birds from a good reputable hatchery. One, buy a good species of broilers that can meet your demand, the reason why you are keeping the birds. You should be able to define the reason why you are stocking the birds. So look for a species that can fit into that shoe. Secondly, buy that species from a trusted hatchery. There are many hatchery. Buy from a trusted hatchery. And how you are to know, or how to know which hatchery is trusted, is based on customer review. Ask farmers, people that are into the poultry sector, people that have been into it for a while. Ask them their testimony. Check the company's update. How do people rush them? How do people demand for their birds before you go into it? Don't risk your capital in the name of your rearing poultry birds. Buy birds from a reputable hatchery that can satisfy your need. Then the rest is secondary. The primary is buying original and a well hatched birds. So this will help your birds to attain the possible weight gain at the very short period of time. So when you have gotten it, your medication, I told you, you can get a template of our medication table from any of our representative nationwide. As far you buy drugs for them, they will explain to you how to use each of those medication. And if you don't know how to prepare any of our organic medication, most of our organic medication are on this our platform, on Dare Agro Farm platform. Type the name of the medication you are looking for, you see it there. If it's not there, ask farmers to explain to you, then formulate it, give it to your birds so that you can achieve the very best within a very short period of time. This is a summary of week 3. The week 4 is coming very very soon. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel if you are yet to subscribe. I love you very much. Like this video, share with wider audience. Prepare your drugs for your birds. Give your birds the very best treat. Buy a good day old. Give them good medication and you will succeed in poultry farming. Have a nice day.